Okay, there's Jingle Bells Part 2. We should have already learnt the right hand. Middle C position, we're now going to look at the left hand. Also in middle C position we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this begins like this. We go 1, 1, 1. Same again. 1, 1, 1. Same again. 1. And we go down to 4, 2, 1. Now we're going to play two notes at the same time. We're going to play 4 and 2, like this. Now at the beginning you may feel other fingers go down, not of your willing, with 4. Don't worry about this. This may happen, or this may happen. Don't worry about that too much. It'll come with practice, and you will get the 4 and 2. So 4 and 2, then we play 4 and 1. We're then going to play 5 and 1, but we're not going to play the white key. We're going to let the little finger come up onto that black key. So like this, 5 and 1. So the black key in middle C, 5 and 1. And then we're going back to the first two we did together, 4 and 2. So let's look at those ones we do together. We do 4 and 2, 4 and 1. 5 and 1, 4 and 2. So that's the first half of Jingle Bells in the left hand. Then we start again. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1. We play 2 and 4, or 4 and 2 I should say, together again. 4 and 1, and single notes. 4, 2, and finish on 4. So that's the left hand. I'll run through the actual note names. We go C, 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 G, B, C. We play G and B together, G and C together, F sharp and C together, G and B together. Then we go C, 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 G, B, C. G and B together, G and C together, G, B, and G. So now we'll see how that comes in with the right hand. Both of them share middle C, and all the fingers having consecutive white keys. So we go 1 left hand with 3 on the right, like this. We do the same again. And once more. And 5 on the right hand by itself. We have that 4 on the left with 1 on the right. Both 2's together. And 3 notes together this time. 4, 1 and 3. So let's just run through that first bit again. We go 1 and 3. Same again. Same once more. Okay, 4 and 1. Both 2's, 4, 1 and 3. Now 4 and 2 on the left with 4 on the right. 4 and 1 on the left, still with 4 on the right. Staying on the 3 on the right, this is where we bring in the black key with middle C, 5 and 1 on the left. Now 4 and 2 on the left again with 2 on the right. So that's the first half of Jingle Bells. The second half is very similar. We do our 1 and 3 again. Same again. Up to G on its own, 5. 4 on the left with 1, both 2's, 4, 1 and 3. 4 and 2 left with 4 on the right. 4 and 1 still with 4 on the right. 3, 3, 3, 3. But this time, single note on the left, 4 with 5 on the right. 2 on the left with 4 on the right. And finish with 4 on the left with 1 on the right. Okay, and how that should sound with a little bit of practice. Okay, well done. Now we'll also look at an alternate left hand to the one we've just done. Now that left hand was in middle C position. This time we're going to go to low C, 2 black keys, C just to the left. And we're going to run our fingers up the ways this time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and really what we're going to be doing is mostly 5 and 1. So I'll just show you all the notes first of all with the left hand. We will go 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, then a 4, 1, back to 5, 1. Then we're taking the black key rather than the white key with 2, 2, 2. And we're going to run down all our fingers, all in white keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and same as the beginning. 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, and we reverse it. 1, 5. So with the right hand, how that will sound, we play 5 and 3 together. 1 and 3, same again, 5 and 3, and 1 and 3, 5 and 3, 1 and 1, 2 on the right on its own, 5 and 3, then 1 on the left on its own. So let's run through that again. Okay, now we have both 4s together. 1 with 4, 5 on the left, still 4 on the right. And with 1, now 2, which is the black key on the left, still with 3 on the right. Still 2 with 2, 3, walk down all our fingers in the left hand. So 1 along with 2 on the right. 1, 2, 3 with 5, 4. And this is the same as the beginning again. 5 and 3, and 1 and 3. 5 and 3, 1 and 3, 5 and 3, 1 and 1, 5 and 3. Both 4s. 1 and 4, 5 and 4, 3 and 1 and 3, 1 with 4, 2 and 5 and 1 together, both C's. So we practice just to give you that alternate left hand version. This is what it would sound like. Okay, you can decide which you prefer, just to show you that you can play songs different ways. Good luck with that.